Hey everyone, so in this video we will learn how to draw hair with some basic tips. So without wasting our time, let's start our video. First of all, draw a rough outline of any hair type you wish to draw. Now darken the outline using 3B or 5B pencil and add a base layer and then darken the shade without making any clot or line in between. You can use a dry brush or a tissue paper to lightly blend the shade. After finishing the blending part, add this type of shaded line and fill the area with this type of textures. You can use mono eraser for detail erasing. You can also use sharp tip of your eraser or cut it into a sharp end and use it. After adding a bit more detail in it, now you can see its final look. Hope you guys like this video, and if not, then let me know the reason in the comment section. Thanks for watching.